Bye. Bye.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Smoke another one.
I'm in Malta Garden.
What?
It's in Malta Garden.
Yeah, I know. I would like to buy it. Now, how much did he say? How much? I believe he had said 300. It was all dented and starting to rust.
That's the wrong refrigerator. It was stainless steel fridge up for 500. It's not rusted or not dented at all.
Oh. Now, when can I come pick this up? Tonight?
Whatever. I'll be here all day.
Now, if I come in with short shorts and my boyfriend, will you get mad?
No, who is this?
We're homosexuals.
Oh, I don't care.
Oh. So do you scissor your girlfriend?
Wait. I'm just really confused.
Oh, is she deep inside you right now?
I'm gonna have to let you go and not sell you the refrigerator.
Alright, smoke another doobie.
Who is this?
Will?
Who?
Will?
Will who?
Hayden.
You just called up to just like fuck with me because you're like a little kid or some shit?
No, this is Will.